Welcome to Finotech once again. So, they are the various stock exchange in the world, as we all know, but they are the top biggest stock exchange which you are going to see in this video. तो बात कर लेते हैं एक एक स्टॉक की एक एक करके. सो वैसे हम सब जानते हैं स्टॉक एक्सचेंज विच आर वन ऑफ द इंडिकेटर ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ ऑफ एनी कंट्रीज. तो अभी देख लेते बिना टाइम गवाए हुए. और अगर चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ कर देना. ओके, सो द 10th वन BSE, 9th टोरंटो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, 8th इन लंडन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, 7th शेंजन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, 6th यूरोनेक्स्ट, 5th हांगकांग स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, 4th शंघाई स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. द थर्ड वन इज टोक्यो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, second NASDAQ, and the top first one is न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. तो एक एक करके सबको डिटेल में देख लेते हैं. सो 10th वन एज आई टोल्ड यू BSE. BSE फॉर्मली नोन एज अ बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज और इसे मुंबई का शेयर बाजार भी कहते हैं. इट्स एन इंडियन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज लोकेटेड एट दलाल स्ट्रीट मुंबई विच इज established in the year 1875. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ एशियाज ओल्डेस्ट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एंड इसका मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन से $1.7 ट्रिलियन. ओके, द 9th वन इज टोरंटो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. तो अभी बात कर ले टोरंटो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज की. ठीक है, इट्स 9th लार्जेस्ट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज फाउंड इन द वर्ल्ड. सो बेसिकली दिस स्टॉक एक्सचेंज फाउंड इन कैनेडा. And as I told you, it's 9th largest stock exchange by the market capitalization. So, a broad range of the business from the Canada and abroad are represented on the exchange. In addition to the conventional securities, the exchange listed various exchange-traded funds, split shares, corporation, income trust, and investment funds. And इसका market capitalization है $2.1 trillion. आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद आता है हमारा लंदन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. सो लंदन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इज अ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इन द सिटी ऑफ द लंदन, इंग्लैंड. As of April 2013, London Stock Exchange had a market capitalization of the $4.5 trillion. It was founded in the year 1571. Making it one of the oldest exchange in the world, and its market capitalization is $2.3 trillion. Then 7th वन आता है अपना शेंजन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. नाम से मालूम चल रहा है इट्स ए चाइनीज स्टॉक एक्सचेंज बेस्ड इन द सिटी ऑफ शेंजन इन द पीपल्स रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द 2 स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ऑपरेटिंग इंडिपेंडेंटली इन द mainland China. The other being the largest Shanghai Stock Exchange, which you are going to see in the further. It is situated in the Fujian districts of the Shenzhen with a market capitalization of $3.5 trillion. उसके बाद आता है हमारा यूरोनेक्स्ट. यूरोनेक्स्ट सुनने में अजीब लग रहा है ना, बट इट्स फुल फॉर्म इज यूरोपियन न्यू एक्सचेंज टेक्नोलॉजी. So, European Stock Exchange with a registered office in Amsterdam and the corporate headquarters at the La Défense in a Great Paris. So, its market capitalization as per 2020 is $3.9 trillion. Europe next provides listing market data, market solutions, custody, settlement services, and its total product offering includes equities, exchange traded funds, warrants, certificates, bonds, derivatives, commodities, and indices, as well as a foreign exchange trading platform also. After that, the 5th one is Hong Kong's stock exchange. Yeah, the stock exchange of the Hong Kong, also known as a Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So, this is a stock exchange based in Hong Kong, as the name suggests. It is Asia's third largest stock. It was India's third largest stock exchange previously, but now it's shifted to the 5th largest stock exchange, and its market capitalization is about $4.4 trillion. So, as of 2018, it has 2,315 listed companies with a combined market capitalization of $29.9 trillion. It reported as a fast growing stock exchange in Asia. But I don't know how it shifted to the fifth one. Okay then. The fourth one is Shanghai. As I told you in seventh one, जहाँ पे चाइना का दो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करता है. The one of them is Shanghai. Shanghai Stock Exchange is a stock exchange based in the city of Shanghai, China. One of the two stock exchanges operating independently in China, as I told you. Okay, wait a minute. So as you all know, it's the fourth largest stock exchange by market capitalization and having market capitalization of about $4.9 trillion. So unlike the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, the Shanghai Stock Exchange is still not entirely open to the foreign investors and often affected by the decisions of the central government due to the capital account controls exercised by the Chinese mainland authorities. And after that, the top third one name is Tokyo Stock Exchange, which is also called as a Tosho or the TSE/TYO for the short form. It's a stock exchange located in Tokyo, Japan. It's the third largest stock exchange in the world by the aggregate market capitalization of its listed companies and the largest in Asia. It had about 2,292 listed companies with a combined market capitalizations of about $5.7 trillion as on February 2019. And then the second one is NASDAQ. It's an American stock exchange located at one of the Liberty Plaza in the New York City. It's ranked second on the list of the stock exchange by the market capitalization of the share traded, behind only the New York Stock Exchange. The exchange platforms is owned by the Nasdaq, which also known as owns the Nasdaq Nordic Stock Market Network and several US stock and operation exchange, and it has market capitalization of about $13.8 trillion. And the first one, who is the top first stock exchange in the world, New York Stock Exchange. It's also an American stock exchange located at the 11 Wall Street, New York City. It's far by the world's largest stock exchange by the market capitalization of its listed companies, about $19.3 trillion. The average daily trading value was approximately $169 billion in 2013. Its trading floor is located at the 11 Wall Street and composed of the 21 rooms used for the facilitations of the trading. And additionally, trading room located at the 30 Board Street was closed in February 2007. The main building and the 11 Wall Street building were designed National Historic Landmark in 1978. So as you saw, the top 10 stock exchange in the world, इनके इंडाइसेस भी है, लेकिन सब डिटेल में बताना एक ही वीडियो में इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. विल मेक अ न्यू वीडियो ऑन द इंडाइसेस. फॉर दैट टाइम टेक केयर, गुड बाय.